darling. I didn't see you there. Y'all, I am in rare form today. We have so much ground to cover, so much to do, so little time. We're gonna do a 5-minute face, take you to the hair salon where I'm gonna get a cut and some highlights. We're gonna hit up the farmer's market. We're gonna take Mochi to the dog beach and just catch up along the way. So let's do it. Biggest of thank yous to Beauty Counter for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I love working with clean beauty brands that are ethically and responsibly sourced. Let's give it up first for the skin. She is making strides, ladies and gentlemen. Most of you know that I am nearing the end of my Accutane journey. I have just under 2 months left, and so sunscreen is a must. I'm jumping in with Beauty Counter sunscreen, and this is SPF 25. This is Beauty Counter's Daily Sheer Defense for Face, and it blends into the skin really, really beautifully. And most importantly, it doesn't break me out. Anyone struggling with acne knows how truly important that is. And don't forget the neck, sweet cheeks. Don't forget the neck. Truly though, my mom always taught me that. She said it's like one of the first signs of aging, so get that neck, baby, get that neck. Today I'm simply gonna be using a tinted moisturizer from Beauty Counter. I literally love this new packaging and I'm really glad that they have extended their shades. I think it's incredibly important and I am excited to partner with them on this. And I'm gonna be applying it with their Better Blender. This is called the Dew Skin Moisturizer and it is so yummy, so good. It's very, very, very dewy. It's giving glazed donut. It's giving sheer coverage. It has a mineral sunscreen SPF 20 in it. I do personally like to put sunscreen underneath as well just because of being on Accutane right now. My dermatologist is like, you cannot put on enough sunscreen. So I did a daily double up, but you don't have to double up your sunscreen like I did. I feel really confident and beautiful in this tinted moisturizer and I don't know, I really love it. So we're gonna move on to the blush, which is, you guys know my favorite part. We've got a little inception going on here. I am shooting with no lights in front of me, just in front of an open window, so you guys can really see my true skin texture with these products. I'm jumping in with the Cheeky Clean Cream Blush, and this is in the shade Havana. It's a really, really pretty pink that's very buildable. I've been using this product for a while. It wears really nice. And the tinted moisturizer I used is shade number 4, by the way. You really don't need a lot. Beauty Counter is such a beloved brand in the clean beauty space, and I'm really excited to be working with them. So if you are interested in checking out Beauty Counter for the first time, you can use code MAGIC30 to get 30% off of your order. I will have a link in the description box down below if you are interested and feeling fresh and ready to go. All right, let's go to the salon.
Really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
We are all foiled up. So today I'm just getting a partial highlight. I only get a full highlight like a couple times a year. But I get a partial highlight maybe every 2 to 3 months depending on how long I can wait. And this is how it looks before we go to rinse it out. Joanna's been doing my color since freshman year of college. So literally, I don't want to say how long ago. I asked her to be on camera today to tell y'all what a nightmare I am in person, but she refused because she did not look up to par in her opinion. So something that I really like to do when I'm leaving the hair salon is I actually leave with my hair wet for a multitude of reasons, but the main one is that I like to, when I get home, apply maybe a Olaplex treatment. Bumble and Bumble has a really great bond building repair treatment. They have a good mask, like just really after the bleach. I mean, the bleach kills your waves and curls. So I always recommend doing some sort of bond building treatment or a protein treatment to get your hair back to where you want it to be. So I will leave today with wet hair, go home, pamper my hair, and then style it for beautiful results. Your girl is blonde again. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling fresh. And I'm gonna treat myself. I'm gonna get a Starbucks, and I never get Starbucks. Like, I feel like I only get it in the fall when they have like a pumpkin spice latte because I'm basic. But it's right here in the parking lot, and I'm gonna treat myself. Okay, is there a way to do like the vanilla sweet cream cold brew but without the vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the sweet cream is still going to be vanilla. That's what we make it.
Yes, that's fine, that's fine.
Okay, yeah, I can still do that.
Okay, that would be perfect.
So you want the vanilla sweet cream cold brew without the vanilla?
Yeah. Got some iced coffee. You know what's so crazy is I literally used to wear my hair like this. So I would like wear my hair natural, like wavy curly, right? And then I would take like gel I would like glue my hair down so that my forehead looked like it was like this big, because I always thought like, oh, my forehead's so huge, like I hate it. And now I'm like, hello, like now I love my forehead. And I actually am so grateful that I have a larger forehead. Like, I think it's so beautiful. What a time to be alive. Okay, so we're back from the hair salon. The blonde it's giving. It's really giving. So we're going to re-wet my hair. It dried so fast because it's so dry after all this bleach. Honestly, I might have to just go stick my head in the shower. We're gonna place a bet. So I just got this toy for Mochi the other day at PetSmart. He picked it out. I let him pick out a new toy like, I don't know, like every 3 months or so. And what is this? Do we know? Okay, it's giving moose antlers, right? But it's giving like lizard, gecko, salamander body. But he picked it out and he loves it. So, vote below. I'm voting salamander / moose, you know? All right, so first things first, I've actually never used this product. Drunk Elephant just sent it to me. It is the Silk Amino Conditioning Leave-In Milk. I'm just gonna use this and spread it throughout my hair so that I can kind of detangle my hair a little bit better before jumping in with Olaplex. These are the 2 bond building treatments that I absolutely love and swear by. Olaplex number 3 is a classic. I've been using it forever. It's a great, great, great product. It's what I'm gonna be using here today. I do wanna mention that these are about the same price, but this one does have more fluid ounces. So at the end of the day, this one is $28 for 3.3 fluid ounces. This one is $32, I believe, for 4.2 fluid ounces. So today we're gonna be using Olaplex. I'm just gonna detangle my hair and then we're gonna distribute the product evenly throughout. And I'm using a Tangle Teaser. These are the best, in my humble opinion. Oh, this is a brand new bottle. It's not even opened yet. Woo! There's nothing better than opening a new bottle of Olaplex. I'm gonna use about this much for one side of my hair, and I'm going to rake it through and distribute it evenly. And then we're gonna go to the farmer's market, live our lives, and just let this sit and soak so we can repair some of that damage that we did today. And then I'm just gonna pop my hair into a low bun and let's head to the farmer's market. But seriously, what is this?
These are basically blends of nuts, seeds, and dry fruit. The bars are the same stuff, just made into a bar.
Ooh.
Okay, so that's what's going on.
Okay, cool.
They're not candy sweet, they're like dry fruit sweet. And they're all wholesome and delicious and real nourishing.
I am literally dripping sweat, but I got what I wanted, my blackberries. I love supporting local farmers markets. I'm not even gonna wash these. Don't judge me. I'm gonna eat this entire carton right now. Blackberries just bring me so much joy in life. Blackberries are like the Sour Patch Kids of the earth. First they're sour, then they're sweet. Yeah, what? God bless America. God bless Georgia. God bless the blackberries. Quick house update, friends. I apologize for his panting. Well, ASMR. I think unfortunately our house isn't going to be ready until October now. But I think I kind of, like, they had told us September, but I just put it in my mind October so that I wouldn't be disappointed when September didn't happen. They're having so many supply chain delays due to COVID. What am I gonna do? Cry over it? Like, it's fine, you know? We're just grateful, you know? And I really appreciate all of y'all's help on the interior design video. Incredibly helpful. Y'all are amazing. But yeah, so I think it's gonna be October, but it's okay. It's okay. With Dan here on the river. That was my Australian accent, y'all. Anywho, we're at the dog beach, and it's just a beautiful evening. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful here. I did want to update you guys that Daniel has started a new job, and he is not working from home anymore. And it's been weird because he's been working from home for so long, and I feel like this mix of, like, it makes me miss him while he's gone, so then I appreciate him more when he comes home. So, like, I do like that aspect, but in the same breath, for almost 2 years, we've both been working in the house at the same time, and it's just weird to not have him there. I feel very mixed about it. Like, I think it's probably healthier to not be around your spouse 24/7, but it's just a strange adjustment. It's definitely a big change for me. I think just because, like, now I don't have a coworker, you know, like, I'm working from home. I feel like I'm about to start to talk to the bananas, you know, talking to the blender. How's your day going? Can you pass me a pineapple? Like, it's weird. It's weird being alone all the time. Got a little liquid sunshine out here. Little liquid sunshine. It's like raining, but it's sunny. Come here. Give me a Momo. Give me a baby. Give me. Mochi. Hey, buddy. Hello, friend. I made a friend at the dog beach.